Yo, what's up, everybody? So, a rare Friday off from work for me. So, yep, I went out on a hunt today. And real quick, this is the Porsche from that Porsche set I recently opened that I got at the TJ Maxx for $15. Anyways, I hit a bunch of stores today, and surprisingly, I found some good stuff. And I went to 3 different Walmarts, and each one actually found something at the Walmarts. Each one of them. We'll start off with, let's see the backside of this and already guess what this is. First Walmart I stopped at today, found an M2. It was all a big old mess where the M2 section was at. As I was tidying it up, boom, the 71 Skyline was in that little mess. So sometimes tidying up, you end up finding something you might have been looking for. And we're going to open this up towards the end of this because it has one of those rubber. It's visible on here. Let's see if I can get it show it. Yeah, there's a rubber band on the hood there, keeping the hood in place. But I want to get that rubber band off of there so it doesn't ruin the thing from sitting there over time. So I'm going to open this up at the end, along with one other thing that I got today. We'll open up as well. I'll set that right there for now. And then hit a couple of Five Belows today, a couple of Dollar Trees. Dollar Trees I didn't find anything at. And then at the Five Below, the Matchbox have now went up to $1.25 now at Five Below. So they are no longer cheaper than Walmart or Target on the Matchbox there. But at one Five Below, I did pick something up to Funko. But hey, it was a Chase variant, my first Funko Chase. So they got this new Kellogg's series in. And pretty cool. And these saw some, not all of them were there. I did not see that one. I saw the metallic version of the Tony the Tiger. Did not see Coco the Monkey. Saw the Toucan Sam. Saw the metallic version of this. Dig'em Frog. I think it was just the regular one. I don't know if it was the metallic or not. And then since I mentioned I just got the Chase, I found a Chase. Yep. Eggo Waffle. So the regular one should be the regular syrup on it, and the other one's like a blueberry. Went ahead and picked this up because I've never found a Funko Chase until today. So that's the only reason I even picked that up. It was a Chase. So I've never found a Funko Chase before. Got one. So yep, not really diecast related, but it was out while I was out on the hunt for the diecasts. And then I checked the Hobby Lobby. And, well, there was one cool green light lowrider there that looked pretty cool, but I did not pick it up. And I also saw that at the Hobby Lobby too, so it's a good thing I found that at Walmart first. I saved a couple bucks on that. But anyways, at a Walmart that I generally don't find anything at, Transformers set. Got 2 more. And it is the Pagani Huayra. Which, ooh, dang, looks like there's something inside of there. Looks like that might have to get opened up. This is not the one I planned on opening today. Probably open that up in a different thing because there's something inside the blister. But anyways, there we go. I got the purple, and so it's a Decepticon car. I've finally found that one. And we also got this one here, the Bugatti Veyron Autobot. Awesome. So the only one missing now is the Mustang. And it probably went out today at that particular Walmart because there were a few of each of these, with the exception of the Mustangs. It's the only one missing. And there's no sticker thing on this, so this was like the re-release, so definitely would have had that in there. But those are all gone. But finally got those 2 at least, so that's cool. And then they also got in some of this peanut set. My Walmart in town, I'd only seen the Fiat like once, and that was the only thing I saw. But this time I got to see the whole wave there. But there's only one that I wanted from the set, and all of them were there, except for one of the Beatles. There's only one of those there, and then two of everything else. So, and then I didn't notice till afterwards, there was an empty box sitting down under. So they definitely had just went out today, or it might have been the box from that. But yeah, I guess that person only wanted one of those because I got the CRX. It's the only one I wanted from this set. Very cool. And we got like lens headlights from the window piece there. That's cool. It's got a Snoopy and a Woodstock. Awesome. That's cool to find that today. And I also hit a couple of Ross stores and hit a Publix grocery store. Where else did I go today? Oh yeah, checked the Barnes and Noble. At Barnes and Noble, they had this set here, but I did not buy this at Barnes and Noble. No. I got this at Ross for $6. Just like a couple days ago at a different Ross, I found the Fast and Furious set for $13. So yeah, definitely be checking them discount stores. Been getting some stuff in. So we got that Volvo, the what was it? Lancia Delta Integrale, Bentley, Porsche right here, this Koenigsegg, and this Alfa. So I'll probably do a future opening video on this box set, most likely. But yep, Silver Series, so there's going to have more detail on these. But yep, got it for $6 at the Ross. So awesome stuff there. And also at the Ross, I did add to my action figure collection, MJF AEW, for $4. I got the big old Revolution pay-per-view coming up on Sunday. Although I'm going to be at work, so I'm going to have to watch it afterwards and be up all night. But it's going to be good show. And not my final stop. The final stop I found anything was at another Walmart. I did stop at my Dollar General, and they got in the exclusives. I was there Tuesday, they weren't there, so I either went out Wednesday, Thursday, or today. But the weird thing was the only thing left was 2 vans. The rallies were actually all gone, so that's kind of interesting. That there was just 2 vans left and the fantasy car was gone. It's weird. I mean, I do already have the van in the rally. But anyways, at another Walmart, I finally found this thing that has been eluding me. And I did pick up 2 because this one's been hard to find, and we will get to open one of these because this blister is already cracked. But yep, I finally found this guy. Oh, I don't have to show you through here. I just want to open that one. Take that closer look. And then we'll open that up as well. So, see, the blister's already jacked up, so. Maybe someone was trying to steal it or something. Or just from getting tossed around in the dump bin. No, yeah, I think someone was trying to steal it. Just looking to pull it out and pulling it out through here. Yeah, someone was definitely trying to do that. Probably got caught. Yeah, let's look at this. Got the lens headlights on there with the window piece. The Porsche logo right there. Little number 5, little like partial meatball thing going on there. The gold stripe. And then we got deco on the side. Porsche 5 Hot Wheels logo. We even got the mirrors. And even the back is done up. So this is why it's been hard to find. This is really good done up mainline Porsche. We got the taillights. Horse right there. And then that license plate section just says 911 GT3. Wing is metal as well. Awesome. Very cool. Yeah, this is a very well done mainline. Got front and rear detail and all this deco. Awesome. Very cool. Definitely worth getting that one for sure. Took me a while, but finally got it. And then I want to get this rubber band off of here. So let's open this up. Then go ahead and get the sticker off with this. I'll try to put it back in the box afterwards. Okay, there's a lot of... Alright. Let's see, which side should I open this from? I might have to open it from both sides just to make sure it comes out of here. Oh, there we go. There we go. Alright. Well, yeah, let's probably take it out of the case first, huh? Oops, and I'm dropping my Porsche. Alright, let's get this off of here. I got that off. Okay, it's off. Alright. Alright, let's get this up off of this base. Alright. Let's take a look at it real quick. Well, yeah, let's get this rubber band off. Alright. Gotta keep my finger on the hood in case that pops off. Alright, rubber band, let's get off the tire. Come on. There we go. Got some really skinny tires on there. And you just... Hard to tell that the tire looks... I don't know. But anyways, there we go. It's the front. And it is right-hand drive. Back side of it there. Tiny little like plastic spoiler wing thing on the back here. Alright, let's see if this hood should open. Let's hold it. I don't know, otherwise why is that rubber band on there? Alright, come on. Or does it open this way? Okay, it opens this way. There we go. Boom, there we go. We got the engine under there. Oh yeah, cause yeah, see how okay. That's why the rubber band was on it. Look, I don't want that to ruin the car over time. Let's get this thing rolls. Oh yeah, that back tire's a little wonky, but it is rolling. So at least there's that. Let's see. I mean, yeah. Even on this side, that back tire's a little wonky. But it is rolling, so. Alright. Cool. And it looks like I took off some of the paint when I was unscrewing this from the base there. But that's alright. Anyways, I'm going to bore you with putting that back on there. But anyways, thank you all for watching, and see you on the next one, and good luck. Bye.